So we're collecting Nico's urine sample to get it tested to make sure he's good. So we have her right there with the cup. He's smelling, he's taking his time. All right, let's see what you got, Cho.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
We're gonna get Nico's urine sample part 2. Let's see how she does it. Oh, how are you looking?
Bit.
She got a little bit. All right, let's go.
Not on my hands either.
Attempt 3. Okay, attempt 4, collecting Nico's urine sample.
Man, you keep right on that.
Fail.
He needs to be on.
Collecting Nico's urine sample. How we doing?
Oh my God, he pees so little at a time. I got it on my gloves too.
Nico down. Good boy. Nico, bang, bang. Bang. Nico, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Nope. How about paw? Nico, paw. Paw? Nico, paw. Good boy.
Nico's been so slow at eating his food, so I just added some warm water. And he's eating so fast now.
Nico. Good show.
Where we headed? Oh, Nico. I want to get stuck on.
Nico. Hi, baby.
Give him a treat.
Good boy.
Want a treat, buddy? Hungry?
Good boy, Nico.
Good boy.
Good boy. Oh wait, that wasn't recording. We just successfully transferred Nico to the other paddleboard.
Good boy, Nico.
Look at how he's facing Daniel.
You love me?
Oh man, it's not recording.
Stay. Look at mommy.
He really did. Good boy, Nico.
Just stay, man.
Drifting.
Drifting.
Good boy, Nico.
What's going on?
I love my dog. Oh. Oh.
Oh, good boy, Nico. You dropped some in your water. Nico's kind of lost his appetite lately.
Nico.
So he put warm water into his kibble.
We put some lamb topper in his bowl, and it looks like it's helping him eat. He's more motivated to eat. Let me see if I can get a tail wag from him. Good boy, Nico. Good boy, Nico. Good boy, Nico. That's all I got.
What kind of voice is that, huh? Okay, ready?
Nico's been snoring, so the vet recommended we give him some humidifier.
So tasty.
One of my favorite restaurants.
She got gloves on, guys. Nico. He's smelling. Show them my dog, guys.
We brought him his bed just in case this floor is uncomfortable, but look at him. Full face on the floor. Nico's like, let me down.
All right. Let me show you how much work it is to get him motivated to eat. Good boy, Nico. Keep drinking. And then I'll feed you. Okay, Nico, let's eat it. Good boy. Yeah? You eating? Come on, let's eat some more. Yeah, good boy, Nico. Keep going. You got it. Good boy.
It's okay, baby. Drink water. Nice drool coming out right now.
Look at all these happy dogs.
I know, these dogs are so cute on the wall. They make me teary.
We're at urgent care. Nico, you know where we're at? Nico, do you know where we're at?
A little unsure.
We're gonna fix this guy, guys. Don't worry. You're gonna be better, buddy. Okay, Nico, we'll take it off. Don't worry.
Good boy. Good boy, Nico.
Good boy, Nico. Good boy, Nico.
She's like, I do not like this. There you go, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All done. Oh, that's better. Way better. Good boy, Nico.
All right, we got Nico's paw print. We're trying to get hair out. It recommended for us to trim his hair, but we don't do that.
He's in pain.
He's in
we
pain,
don't do
guys.
that.
We'll see how this turns out in 8 to 10 hours. Try to do it himself.
Good boy, Nico.
Yeah,
He really likes his wet food, though. He's
loves
eating
wet
it
food,
way
guys.
easier than his
Good.
kibble.
And it smells like Spam. This is how I want to try it.
He used to love.
It's the master bedroom. And we got a lot going on here.
Slumber party.
Slumber party. This dog hanging with the adults.
How you feeling about this situation?
I love it.
Not the cancer part, just the sleeping together. He's usually not allowed in our bedroom.
But he's here, y'all.
We can't see him because he's so dark.
Yeah, you've been doing phenomenal and selling so far on Amazon. I think your account has only been active for a little under a month so far, I think. So,
What are you looking at?
my dog has a lot of drip.
Wow, you can't even see his eyes. You're so patient, Nico.
Cap or no cap, Nico? Tell me.
No cap.
Cap or no cap?
Oh, you look so cute. Tell Malone, get him a hat.
Cap, no cap.
We're gonna get his paw print, guys.
We tried already, but it wasn't as we had. It didn't turn out right. Good
Looking
boy.
mad, bro?
Probably. Okay. Sorry, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're okay.
Stay.
You're okay. You ready? Stay, 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 stay. Just want to get your paws, baby. Good boy. And up. Good boy.
Nico.
I guess I didn't get that one as much. Ooh, there's a hair. Ooh, there's a hair.
That looks good.
Boy, buddy.
Good boy, Nico.
Dan has set up this fire hazard right here. There's Nico's water bowl. What is this? He's got his bed sheets. He's got 2 beds and his little rug. And Dan's gonna sleep on the yo. I'm gonna sleep over there because I'm sick and you snore really loudly, Nico. Okay? How you feel?
You snore louder than my dog.
Good night, guys. I love you, Nico. You're supposed to sleep here, Daniel. Nico. This is our yo.
Hey, yo. Get off my yo.
Usually this will help him because he doesn't like cuddling.
Oh my God, Nico.
Much success getting him off of your yo.
I go Nina.
He looks so comfortable. Nico, this is a Japanese Korean yo. Made in China. Gonna see if they're cuddling without me. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? Nico, that's my spot.
Hi, baby.
Let her smell you. Oh, I wonder if she can smell it.
No.
You see how she's smelling his mouth?
Stinks.
What do you smell? So hard. Nico, stay. Stay. Stay.
Stay.
Over here, Dan. It's a good angle. Stay.
I already got a photo. I'm just recording a video.
They look so cute. Stay. They're like the opposite.
Somebody play with this dog.
Not Nico, sorry. Oh, play position. Where's Charlie? I know, where's Charlie?
Message him.
Charlie. I can't tell if he's like, ooh, squirrel, or if he's like, dog.
Oh boy.
Nico.
Good boy, Nico. Whoa.
She's getting bigger. She is?
Yes. Nico.
Yeah, hard to justify for her.
Hi, girl.
Tucking the boys in. Why are you sleeping diagonally?
So I can be next to my doggy.
Good boy, Nico. He's so sleepy.
So,
Now I'm vlogging.
Get cancer, okay? Okay.
I wish I could just cut it out, but
I know. That's what I was. But then it's also so.
Nico. We're vlogging, boys. Look at this, my boys. Oh, you guys don't have to hold a pose. This is just a video.
It's a video.
That's my dog. What a good dog.
boy.
Good boy, Nico. Oh, he dropped it. It's all good.
Good boy, Nico.
Nico? You looking for mommy or what? Where's mommy? Oh, drooly butt. Nico.
Yes, and Rosie. So, yeah, she can probably smell it. It's in his mouth.
Oh.
Yeah, she's like, oh, did you see that? She's like, I don't like that smell. Yeah, because dogs.
Right? And I'm like, she's got months to go. I think she's gonna be like.
She's so pretty. Have you guys seen the other dog that was just like her? There's another one.
This girl, Agatha. We missed you too, girl.
Oh my gosh, where are you? She's like, what is this?
The helicopter tail. Nico.
That's your Nico. You're so playful.
It's a lovely trip.
Yeah.
Really nice.
We had good weather the whole time.
Nice.
Like one maybe kind of overcast day.
Yeah.
But it's still like in the 80s.
Hold back.
Okay, go night.
My dog jumped out the wagon
Don't like it.
because this was stupid. He's like, guys, I can still walk, okay? Calm down. We got him some new dog food, guys.
And bone broth.
And bone broth, and he's eating by himself. A little messy, but
He's a little too excited about it.
yeah.
He's kind of bleeding sometimes too, but
Good boy, Nico!
better than yesterday, dude.
Just laying down on his bed. Don't make any sense. He's still cute though.
Nico took my spot, and he's not moving this time, so it's kind of awkward.
Just try to get in there. Let's go.
Nico, this is my spot, and he's also drooling still all over my spot. Yeah, that's it. There's a strange man swimming out there. And my Nico chilling. Good boy. Yeah, his nose is really dry.
Nico got visitors,
His
guys.
nose is always dry.
Maybe he's like, I can only drink one time, so I gotta drink.
He does drink all at once. He drinks at dinner time. Or at
It's a chill moment, guys. Nico and Cho. Anthony Cho. Nico. It's another 40-second video. Okay, I gotta pause this. Oh wait. I got another water. Yeah, double fisting. That's my boy.
He's like, oh, it's not purified.
The unpurified water he's a little concerned about. But it's okay. Oh, never mind. He's still doing it.
You're funny, Nico.
Good boy.
So after dinner, he just like passes out. And at nighttime, Galliprant. Some disease go into his throat. You know?
Nico.
It goes into his throat.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Nico.
Good boy, Nico. You got energy.
I'm here. Oh, I'm sorry.
I had to go check every doctor.
The other day, my brother came and like roughed up Nico like he usually does, and he forgot about the tumor.
Help me.
Nico's like,
Help me. Help me.
Oh,
maybe we should go too.
Walking after him. No.
Oh, she really wants to.
She wants to go for another dose. Okay, she wants to.
Nico, cinematic.
this is how we feed Nico now. Hand fed.
It's an improvement from just the wet food, though. I will say he likes his kibble.
Word.
What are you doing? This stickler, who doesn't let Nico eat anything delicious usually, is letting him eat some steak.
I'm about to go buy some Wagyu today. Feed my dog.
Good boy, Nico.
Take your time, baby.
Oh, good boy, Nico.
Boba with Nico. Boba tea mashita.
Oh, I forgot my book.
She just said that for the camera to make it seem like she reads, guys. Disregard. Nico's just people watching. Dog, people. People, dog. Good boy, Nico.
So I was just watering my garden, and Nico climbed over to the front seat from there. Nico, you're so silly. It's okay, let's go home. Nico.
At another urgent care to see the oncologist. This is not the oncologist. We're gonna try some new drugs and try chemo and see how it goes. But we're hopeful. It sounded good. Good luck, Nico.
So calm at the vet. This vet is so fancy.
Nico, how we doing? Good boy. Nico. Is that a little quiver? How we doing, big man? Good boy. Good boy, Nico.
Warm country. Hi there. You're so vegetarian. Oh my god. You're so vegetarian. I'm good.
Yeah, we turn on the air conditioning.